Now, Bollywood superstar Amir Khan, it appears, has landed himself in trouble. BJP MP Anand Kumar Hegde has now written a letter to CEO of tyre major CEAT, Anant Vardhan Goenka, over the actor's recent advertisement where Amir Khan is seen advertising, or rather advising people not to burst firecrackers on streets. Now, Hegde has also requested to take cognizance of the recent, ad, which according to him is now creating unrest among Hindus, and has also expressed hope that the organization would respect Hindu sentiment in the future. Hegde has also asked the company to address the problems related to blocking of roads due to namaz during Fridays, and also the noise emitted from mosques during azan through their speakers. Hegde has also got some support from Karnataka Minister Ashwath Narayan, who has asked, why is it a problem to celebrate a Hindu festival?
Netizens have expressed outrage over this advertisement, and leading the charge is BJP MP from Karnataka, Anant Kumar Hegde. In a letter to the company's MD and CEO, Anant Vardhan Goenka, the BJP MP requests him to take cognizance of the recent advertisement, creating, according to him, unrest among Hindus. The BJP MP has even said the company should first show the problem of blocking roads in the name of namaz and noise emitted from mosques during azan. While Hegde's controversial claims have become par for the course in Karnataka politics, things have escalated after Karnataka Minister Ashwath Narayan has jumped in and agreed with him.
Probably we need to make it environmental friendly, that is okay, we can agree. But asking people not to burst, not to celebrate, in what way? This is a part of celebration. This is part of our culture. See, this is the double standard, trying to take away our own celebration is not fair.
It's been a tough year for all of us, all around the world, but especially in India.
Even Virat Kohli's Diwali video on Pinterest created a flutter. A 29-second video was posted by Virat with the caption that he will be sharing personal tips on how to celebrate a meaningful Diwali with loved ones. Many said that instead of giving tips on a Hindu festival, Virat should focus on his batting and captaincy skills, speculating that he would preach for a cracker-free Diwali again. With weeks to go for Diwali, the Festival of Lights has been marred by controversy and the firecracker debate being renewed. Superstar Amir Khan isn't new to controversy. The infamous intolerance debate haunted him for a long time, and this time too,
All right, let me cut across to Harish Bijur, who's our brand strategy expert, joining us for a little perspective here. Mr. Bijur, here's another advertisement that's run into controversy involving Amir Khan, who is an actor. We look at Amir Khan as a superstar, an actor, without attaching any religion to him. He is now in an advertisement where he speaks of not bursting firecrackers on streets. It's a CEAT ad, and here it's not trolls any longer. It's a BJP MP who's formally written a letter to the CEO of CEAT, asking him why not shed some light on other controversies or other issues which really disturb peace in the society as well. Why only hurt religious sentiments? How do you look at this as a brand perspective?
Okay, see, firstly, as a brand person, I have always advised brands to avoid two subjects. One is religion and the other is politics. The moment you step into these two arenas, you're asking for trouble. Because religion, the moment you start talking about festivals, etc., and deeper issues still, you tend to divide people. The same thing happens with politics, because politics again divides. The purpose and ethos of a brand is to unite customers, not divide customers. So that is the first thing I'd like to say when I look at advertising and all the hits that it's taking. Now, coming to the CEAT ad, I mean, to an extent, it is an ad which says that, celebrate responsibly, don't burst crackers on the streets, and possibly also stay away from crackers. Now, this can be sensitive because, if you really look at India, the audience is out there, and the audience, bursting of crackers is a part of celebration and festive culture. And I think brands know that, companies know that. So I think, we need to be slightly more careful not touching these two spaces. That's my opening comment.
Well, Mr. Bijur, here you have Amir Khan, who is in the advertisement. If it was any other actor, do you think it would have raked up the same controversy as it did?
Okay, because it's Amir Khan, there possibly is an X number of people who are saying this is wrong. How dare you pontificate? How dare you tell us what we must do? Now, if it was Akshay Kumar, let's say, or let's take Amitabh Bachchan for that matter, or Virat Kohli, possibly there would be lesser numbers of people who would say the same thing, but I still believe they would still say the same thing. And that's one of the reasons, possibly even brand endorsers are very careful as to what they say about two things: politics, religion. You'll notice that with savvy brand endorsers.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Bijur, for joining us with your perspective there. Now, it's really interesting to see if at all the CEO of CEAT, Mr. Goenka, will withdraw the ad, just like how Fab India did when they came out with their campaign that was named Jashn-e-Riwaz, which had a Hindu term, or a rather Urdu term there that raked up controversy online.